Hello learners, greetings from AISECT Learn. Well known for better education and better careers, welcome to today's course on basics of cybersecurity. In this course, you'll dive into the critical world of cybersecurity and learn how to protect digital systems, networks, and data from modern-day threats. From hackers and phishing scams to system vulnerabilities and online tracking, this course is designed to build your awareness and skill set from the ground up. We'll go beyond the basics and equip you with real-world tools, technical understanding, and the practical knowledge needed to navigate today's digital security landscape. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand the fundamentals of cybersecurity and its growing relevance. Learn about major threats like phishing, brute force, and social engineering attacks. Explore the roles and responsibilities of cybersecurity professionals. Get hands-on with tools like WHOS, ping commands, firewalls, and encryption. Identify common vulnerabilities and understand penetration testing. Analyze attack phases through the cyber kill chain model. Understand how tracking, browser fingerprinting, and cookies impact your privacy. Apply basic protection strategies to both personal and organizational systems. Build a strong foundation for global certifications and job readiness. Whether you're a student, aspiring IT professional, or someone simply curious about digital safety, this course is your launchpad into the world of cybersecurity. Enroll now in the cybersecurity course. Let's get started and secure your digital future. See you in the course.